Alright, you doing garage door Mike? Innovative garage door. 16x7, 3200 on a rainy day here. And we got flush. I think this looks perfect with this house. You got the standard windows all up top there, the big bay window there, and the front door. Nice. And yeah, we're gonna clean the fingerprints off. But you got the flush stucco look here. You got the nice Hormann frame, of course, which I love. Getting some of the good gots off of this door while we're doing the finishing touches on it. Let's see if we can get some of these styrofoam pieces out of here. This door turned out awesome. Kind of did some, not trick stuff, but kind of cool stuff on the inside. We used a 8-foot track versus a 7-foot to meet the hanger in the back, so we didn't have to move it. But you can see the flush area. We will put the weather seals out there, even though if you look kind of in there, you can kind of see he's got like a little foamy deal on there. So we are still putting the trim on the outside. This does come with the 3.5-inch bottom rubber. You can see the stuff up there he's using for the seal. That was on the old door, but that's going bye-bye. Probably gonna have to move this guy here, so that will come off. Bye-bye. That's got to get moved because we're putting on wide trim because we're out of the narrow. That's gonna go there. Anyway, back to the door install here. Hormann badge, okay. Innovative paw print there. Some more muck. This will all be cleaned off. I think it looks great. As soon as it gets that door rolling, I'll just give you some more brief description. The 3200 is a 2-inch polystyrene sandwich door. It's got about an 8.9 R value. I just round that off to 9. 11 gauge hardware on this. We use the 13-ball premium wheel on the top because the top glass is a little heavier. So once it gets the door rolling, I'll show you the 13-ball roller on top. You can kind of maybe see it right there. It's a long stem. And here we go. Hooked up to an Access Master 1/2 horsepower that we did not install. Okay, there's some of the nice nylon wheels we use. You can see the difference between that one and that one. That's the 13-ball, and we use that, like I said, for insulated windows. If it's just regular windows, we don't use it. Handle, warning screws, another step plate there to grab, 3.5-inch bottom rubber, 2-inch section. Let's see if we can get up here. It's got the nice tongue and groove, deep for the pinch resistant, and here's the 8-foot track that I was telling you about. You can see that reinforcement goes almost, oh, it does go all the way, and then it breaks. So usually at a 7-footer, that breaks probably about here to here somewhere. I can't remember, but you're getting an extra probably 1.5 to 2 feet of reinforcement. And we do that too, by the way, on all of our small door sandwich doors. A lot of companies don't. They just put in the non-reinforced. That's terrible. I would never do that. Like I said, my standard's above everyone else's anyway, so we would never do that. So we put in the nice reinforcement here all the way. Our textbook angle mount with a lock nut. And there it is, the Access Master. Let me tune this in. Access Master 1/2 horse. And that's it. You want to hit the buzzer and close her up?
Yeah.
I'm going to put my hood up. Actually, 1 second, let me grab my coffee. Oh, ah, ah.
The photo I was bolted here.
So my guy's telling me this photo is, where was it bolted?
Like waist height here.
Yeah, that's real good for the kiddies. When the kids are down there getting entrapped by the door, that's killing them. And the last company gets their rear end sued. Fools, man. Anyways, we're gonna fix that too. That's like a no-brainer fix. Go ahead and hit the, yeah, I'll knock on the door, right, when I'm done. So here it is, 3200 flush almond. Looks awesome with this house. With all the bay windows and everything going on. Perfect match. Innovative. 630-271-9343. www.innovativedoor.com. Likes on Facebook. InnovativeGarageDoor.com. You see it's totally raining out. Ugh. If you're new to the channel, thank you. Welcome aboard. Smash the subscribe button if you want to see more cool videos like this. We got about 700 videos. Not all of them are as cool, but there's a lot of cool ones out there. Trust me on that. Drop a like, drop a comment, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. We're gonna probably get that opener giveaway next week. So the first week of May, most likely, I'm gonna try and do it. Get it done for you guys. So thank you. And thanks for watching our 3200 flush Hormann video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.